Today, we are at Waste Equipment and Parts taking a look at a Perkins dump body. This is a 2019 Ford F350 pickup truck, the XL model. In the bed of this pickup truck is a Perkins 6-yard satellite dump body. This one's a little different. It actually has what we call a sweep blade. This is not a packer. Its sole purpose is to move waste material from the back part of the pickup truck here toward the front so that you can continue loading more and more. These dump bodies are pretty simply mounted in the truck. What you have are 4 permanent mounting points like this to hold the container in the back of the truck, and 1 electrical hookup. This electrical connection hooks directly to the battery of the pickup truck with a fuse. This is your electrical connection for the Perkins unit. There is a fuse in that line. These dump bodies can be put in pretty much any 350 or 3500 series type pickup truck as long as it's got an 8-foot bed. You can also put it in a larger truck chassis type configuration with no bed. With the bed tipped, here is a quick view of all the mounting points. See, there's 4 here, there's 2 in the front, and then 2 at the rear. This one has a little electric pump to run all the cylinders. And this is what it looks like raised. The controls for the body are on a 6-button keypad. Has magnets, so it will stick here. And well, if you have the Ford with the aluminum bed, it's not going to stick to that, but it'll stick to this. As you can see, this bring the bed back down, running off the electrical power. These 4 buttons run the sweep blade. We'll go ahead and do a cycle. This is all electric power. There's no PTO on this truck. Again, this is not designed to be a packer. This is simply to move the waste material from the back of the bed of the truck here toward the front so that you can continue loading containers. And then when you want to dump it out, raise the bed. And here's what it looks like. Over on the driver's side, there is another control here. As you can see, there is a little bit of coiling here, so once you remove the magnetic mount, you could actually take this away and walk a little bit further over here to run this so that you're not standing directly on the side of the truck, or, you know, maybe you can go over there. But there's enough cord here to get, you know, significantly far away from the back without being too far. As I said before, this one has the 3-finger container gripper, which is good for 55-gallon drums or fully automated carts. It will also dump regular carts too. There is a traditional American-style 2-bar tipper that you can put on the back of this also. One note, this truck should be driven with the cart tipper up, because if you don't relocate that license plate, the tipper can block it. But regardless, it's actually probably better practice to have the tipper up anyway, just in case you get into a rutted area or places where there's a lot of dips in the road, just to make sure that you don't bump the tipper on the ground. That would be my recommendation. One more note about the sweep cover there is it actually works as a pretty good load cover. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you have any questions, you can contact Perkins or Waste Equipment and Parts at this phone number or website.